Oh shit! Hear that clacking? Yep, that's the sound of ghetto mic. Oh fuck. Man, this guy's slipping and sliding. Oh yeah, kick to the face. Oh shit, wow, this guy's tripping. Ooh, punch. Oh shit. Got a hammer? Get even a hammer? Oh, come on, come on, come on. Get off me. Oh man. Yeah. Ooh, what time it is? Guess what time it is? Fucking hammer time. Oh man. She just got some brains. And a hammer to the face.
Man. Hi there.
It's a formal intro.
Did you kill it?
No, I mean it's fine. It's there with its head open.
I think something else did. Before me, I think.
I heard her scream 2 nights ago. Maybe one of the monsters got her.
Probably.
2 nights ago? Yeah, that's probably what happened. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while.
A long while.
Oh.
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
What should we do now?
We should move to America. Oh wait, never mind. You should get out of here.
We need to get out of this neighborhood. It's not safe. We're less likely to be seen if we move at night.
Wait, what?
My
I thought I
parents
chose
might come
morning.
home.
We won't go far.
Oh man.
Try to find shelter and come back here with others.
That sounds good. We can hide in my treehouse until then.
I can't climb up there.
It'll be a tough climb with this leg, but that's a good idea.
It's a terrible idea.
Let's go. Stay close to me.
Guess it's nighttime already.
Now let's stay quiet. We'll head out to the front yard and follow the road out of the neighborhood.
Okay.
It'll be okay. Stay near me, and we'll move as fast as we can.
I could have sworn I said stay near me. Why is she running? I did say as fast as we can, but I don't know. Supposed to stay close. Guess I'll open this gate. Shit. What the fuck?
I found the bastard.
Oh shit.
Are we
Actually
going
scared
to
me.
die?
Nope.
No, I'm sure we're fine.
Oh man.
Stay down. Georgia State Patrol.
Dude, he won't listen to that.
We're friendly. There's a little girl here.
Oh shit, you're not one of those things.
Of course I'm not.
Neither of us are.
Oh, damn, you've got a little girl. We're sorry about that. Well, Andre's sorry about that.
It's Officer Mitchell.
Bitch, call you whatever I want.
My name's Sean. Sean Green. This is Andre.
Officer Mitchell.
Did you see any of those things? One of them just got our buddy Chet.
Yeah, I saw a lot in the forest.
I saw a lot in the forest, but that was a while ago.
Yeah, one we're looking for is still in the neighborhood.
Oh, shit. You hurt your leg pretty bad. Look,
Sure did.
help us find the thing that got our buddy, and we'll take you and your daughter down to my dad's farm to safety.
She's not my
I should be able
daughter.
to fix your leg up, too.
I'm not her dad.
I'm her grandpa.
A
Neighbor.
neighbor. Her parents are out of town.
in Savannah,
Whoever
I
you are,
think.
let's get a move on.
We just were...
Ah, shit.
Oh shit! It's Chet.
Let's go! Get to my car! Go!
Oh man, I have to ride in another police car. I already have enough memories in the last one. Oh, I thought we were gonna run him over. That would have been 10 points in Grand Theft Auto. Loading screen. And it's still nighttime. Hopefully this car doesn't crash either. I mean, it's pretty good that the cop isn't looking up my information on that thing, or else he'd probably take me to jail.
Say hi to your dad for me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Sean. Chet was a good dude.
You look like a
One of
portrait
the
to me.
best.
One of the best.
Take care of you two.
Fuck you, cop. You almost shot me.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Well, Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I ran into Andre outside of Atlanta, and Chet, he got killed.
Oh man, it's hot in here.
You're kidding.
Those things got him. Dad, I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry, Sean.
Very sorry
You brought a
indeed.
couple guests.
Yep. Your boy's
Your
alive.
boy's a lifesaver.
Well, not really.
Glad he
Fuck.
could be a help to somebody. So
He almost got
it's
me
just
killed.
you and your daughter then.
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Yep.
Honey, do you know this man?
Say yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Good. Good.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Sure did.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Hopefully some painkillers. That's what I need right now. What was that?
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Hurts like hell.
It hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
Name was... I don't need to tell you.
Doesn't matter, right?
Huh. Well, if you're gonna be here overnight, I'm gonna need it. Unless you'd rather hit the road.
It's
Okay.
Lee.
Rather hit
Well,
you.
Lee. Just Lee. I take it. I'm Herschel Green.
What a smart ass.
How'd this happen?